In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add Instagram link to TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars. Click on the option settings and privacy. Click on the option account. Now here you're going to find the option of switch to business account or business verification. Click on that. Now continue with the process to verify your account as a business account. After you do that, you can head back. Once you're in the profile, click on the option edit. Now over here, you're going to find the option of link. Now close this. Launch your Instagram app. Then select the option share profile. Here, you're going to find the option copy link. Click on that. Once you have copied the link of your Instagram profile, close this. Navigate back to the TikTok page. Here in the link box, you just have to paste the copied link of Instagram account and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily add an Instagram link to your TikTok bio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.